Hello and Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Abstract Online Support Program. Level is HSSC, and your class is second year. Okay, now you can see that today we will start antiderivative of algebraic function, that is called integration. Okay, so this is a very interesting and very difficult topic, but if you have grip on the derivative, then you can easily do the antiderivatives. Okay, because it is a reverse gear of the derivative, you can say. And integration, we have lots of application for integration, and we will tell you after the uh, topic. Okay, so exercise 3.2 we are going to start, and from exercise 3.2, that is antiderivative. Okay, so first we discussed some formulas, some basic formulas, and then we can move on. This is the basic formula, that theorem of antiderivative, that integral of c of f of x dx is c is the coefficient. Okay, or we can say constant. So c is outside from the integral, means any coefficient is outside from the operator, just like limit, just like derivative. Okay, and the second one is, if limit if sorry if integral is on in two functions, so integral is goes to the f of x and g of x as well, means both the function have the integral. Okay, now you can see that this is the sign of integral, this is the sign of integral, although that in Oxford dictionary this is the sign of shoe symbol, means if you just see the phonetic symbols and at the last page of the dictionary, so you can see this is the uh, it means that if any word have this thing in English, so you have to say the shoe uh, voice. Okay, but in mathematics, this is the integral sign, and for the sake of joke, मजाक के लिए इसको आप गोश्त का जो है ना वो टांगने वाला भी जो है ना वो आला कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, जिस तरह से कसाई के पास नहीं होता गोश्त लटका हुआ होता है. लेकिन खैर, तो ये हमारे पास जो है ना वो दो चीज़ आ गई ना. This is the very basic integral formula. This one, power rule. What is power rule? Power rule is whenever we have derivative of power under the power. Okay, when we have derivative besides under the power, means x is to the power n, derivative is dx. Okay, how? Just hide the power, this hide the power, like this, hide the power. Okay, now you can see what is the derivative of x. X derivative is dx, but what is the derivative of x with respect to x? That is 1. This is the there is a difference. X derivative with respect to x is 1, and only x derivative is dx. Okay, now I hide the power, you can see that I hide the power. Okay, now x derivative is dx, and you can see that आपको मिल रहा है बराबर में. ठीक है, if you have found it next to the function, the derivative, then just add the power and uh, write the same thing in the denominator. Now add the power and write the same thing in the denominator. This is the power rule. Okay, and what about quotient rule? This is quotient rule. Whenever we have dx upon x, means denominator function derivative is numerator, if we can found it dx on the dx, so just put the ln at the denominator. So ln mod of x plus c, just put the x. Okay, since log of 0 or negative numbers does not exist, so therefore in above formula mod assure that we are taking log of positive quantity, means we have to take the positive one. Why? Because log of 0 and negative numbers does not exist. Okay, so these are two formulas, and in exercise you will see that how we can apply these formula. Okay, now exercise 3.2, formally we have question number 1, and there are 9 parts. Okay, 9 part, in fact sorry, there are 11 parts. Okay, 11 parts we have to do the in question number 1, although that I'll not solve every part, some parts will be the homework. So I'm starting with the name of Allah. Question number 1 of integration. This is first question of your integration for the entire life, because this is a very new topic. Okay. So now integral function is integral 3x square minus 2x plus 1 d of x. Okay. Now you can see that 3 is the coefficient. So 3 is outside from the integral, and x square dx is same, minus 2 is coefficient is integral outside. Okay. And integral dx on the dx. Okay. Now you can see we have to apply the power rule. Just hide the power. X derivative is dx. So 2 plus 1 is and 2 plus 1. Okay. Now you can see hide the power. This is 1 power. Hide the power 1, and you can see that you have found the derivative of x next to the x. So just add the power and in the denominator. And integral and d, because this is the antiderivative this is differential operator, this is antiderivative operator, so both we can cancel. Okay. So only x is remaining plus c. So after the simplification you get the answer of this. It means that when you take the derivative of this, you will have this thing. You can see x cube 3x square. Okay. Minus x square means minus 2x, and plus x means plus 1. And why, what is c? C is the integral constant. Whenever you just take the integration, just put the c. Okay. Now part 2, integral under root x plus 1 upon under root x dx. Okay. Now can I write like this, x raised to the power half and x raised to the power minus half? Can I write like this? Okay. For the sake of power rule I have written. Okay. Integral x raised to the power half dx is same plus integral x raised to the power minus half. Now you can see, just hide the power. X derivative you can find dx, just we can have to add the 1 in this power. So 1 upon 2 plus 1, 1 upon 2 plus 1 in the power, and the denominator is same. Okay. Minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. You can see that 1 upon 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 2, and minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 is 1 upon 2. So 3 upon 2, if we reciprocal this, so 2 upon 3, x raised to the power 3 upon 2, and 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1, that is 2, x raised to the power 1 upon 2 plus c is the integral constant we have to add. Okay. Now part 3, you can see that x multiplied by this. So first you just simplify this function. This is simplified function, and then you can add the power rule. What is power rule? Just hide the power, x derivative is dx, power add, and same the denominator, same as this thing. You can see the result. Okay, now you can see that important integral of this. Okay, and this is very same thing, very same power rule. Okay, now you can see that 1 upon 2 is the power, just hide the power. Okay, what is the derivative of under the power? 2x derivative is 2. Okay, 2x derivative is 2, and 3 derivative is 0, and x derivative is dx. Okay, so it means that 2 it should be there. Okay, so I just divide the 2 and multiply by 2. You can see that 2 is here. Okay, and apply the power rule. How? Because when we have 1 upon 2 is if we are just hiding the power, so 2x plus 3 derivative is 2, and dx derivative x derivative is dx. So 2 dx should be answer. So multiplying divide by 2. So multiply वाला तो चलेगा इसके साथ, and divide वाला रह गया. ठीक है. So power rule apply would be, and then simplify the answer. Okay. Now part 5, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square simplified. This is simplified form, and then apply the power rule. You can see. So I am live through the WhatsApp group, so you can ask any question. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.